Because we're frenemies, we like disliking one another. Oh, I forgot what I was doing. Quickie! Today's cocktail done quickly is the Frenemies. This is the Gnome's Tavern submission to the cocktail competition he just fabricated for myself and a bunch of other YouTubers. And it's a really fun, fruity daiquiri riff. Let's make one and talk about the ingredients right now. For this cocktail, you will need white rum, cranberry juice, lime juice, creme de cassis, and ginger syrup. I'm gonna garnish this with a lime flag, so we will also need some lime slices and a cherry. Why am I saying it like that? I don't know. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and shake it up. We're going to start with a 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup. Follow that up with just a 1/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We'll come behind that with a 1/2 ounce of creme de cassis. Next up, we'll do 3/4 ounce of cranberry juice. And finally, 2 ounces of our white rum. That's all of our ingredients. Let's go ahead and grab some ice so we can shake that up. We will cap that up, tap that down. Give that a shake for 10 to 15 seconds to chill and combine. For serving, I'm going to grab a chilled tulip glass out of my freezer. And into that, we will double strain our cocktail. To finish that off, I'm going to grab a cocktail pick. And I'll make a flag by putting that pick through a lime wheel, as well as one of our Amarena style cherries. Fold that like that, pierce it through, rest it in the glass, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Frenemies. Cheers. Let's go ahead and give that a taste. Cheers. Oh, that's delightful. I like that. Lime is tart. Tart is what happens when you take sour and take some of the sweetness out of it, replace it with some additional bitterness. By having just a little bit of lime juice in here, it tastes familiar like a daiquiri should, and then is breathed backed up by the cranberry and the cassis, which add this kind of berry tartness and bitterness that reestablishes what the lime was doing in a full ounce measure, and pairs so nicely with that ginger and rum flavor. Oh, that's good. Not to mention, who does not love a pink drink? Everybody dogs on pink drinks, but bro, shit is pretty. Good job. Thanks for watching. Cheers.